Go home happy with the 2021 Land Rover Defender. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.